Hi, I'm Sylvia and I just got my new Bruvi. Very excited. Gonna make myself a coffee and I'm gonna make it hotter, stronger, and I think I'm gonna have myself 6 cups today. And here we go. This is so easy. You can already smell this. Loving it already. Such a nice machine. Oh, the smells are great. I love the smell. It's really strong. It smells like a coffee house in here. They have all these flavors. There's another flavor, Ethiopia. Honeysuckle, lime, apricot. And medium roast espresso, Euphoria. You can already see the steam. Now let's try. That was quick. Oh, it smells great. And it's amazingly hot, just the way I like it.